Hey guys, welcome back to Serene Bookworks. Today we are checking out this little beauty. I will just give you a quick look-see on the outside here. This is for a swap with Lori, who is TerrificTomes here on YouTube. And she has posted her book for me. It's really killing me because I haven't looked at it yet. But maybe I will after I upload this. So anyway, just a really fun cover. And I am messing around with some steampunk digitals. I'm not very good at it, so I'm still just messing with it. But I threw a few of those in here. This is kind of a steampunk themed traveler's book. Because when I think of steampunk, I oftentimes think of traveling. You know, just the whole, you know, they've got these steam-powered not spaceships, air balloons, so why not travel, right? So that's just kind of how I think about it. So this is a steampunk travelers themed book. And I hit the camera right off the bat because, oh, I'm a professional, don't be jealous. That's just how I am. There we go. Okay. So here we go. I use some papers that I've been hoarding forever and ever, because if I don't get rid of some of the old stuff, I can't buy new stuff, right? So there we go. I found these really awesome brads that look like little screw heads. So I've been putting those everywhere. And this is just some fun paper that I also found at Joann's. I don't get to go to Joann's very often, and I was super excited that I found a fun pack when I was there. There's just some fun little travel type stickers. I coffee dyed some paper with gears on the paper, so it made this really cool design, which I love. And I just did a little bit of collaging here and there. This is a book page that you will see right here. A dirigible, is that how you say it? Anyway, that's an old picture of one of those that I got out of an old, like a Time Life book. That's one of my weird designs that I came up with. And this is just a fun pocket here. There's a metal card here. And this is one of my designs. You will see this later in another upcoming project. But yeah, I think it's just fun. Will I ever make huge kits? Probably not. I'm just not that kind of go-getter, apparently. Here is just some collaging. Just super fun. You are never too old to dream a new dream is what that says there. A little card here. And these do move. Yes, yes, yes. And thank you, Shayna, for some really neat images that were stamped out. Here is this prototype helicopter was hammered together. That's what that is. Here is a paper clip, and I cannot recall right offhand where I've got these, but I will link it below. There's just some paper here. Here's some more fun stuff. And open it up. There's a little card in here. And fun little card that I made out of some scraps and embossing powder. And on this page, I put some like grommets, like rivets kind of thing, and just hung some fun little charms and such off of there. So that's what that is. There's that fun paper pad that I got from Joann's. And again, I cannot for the life of me remember the name of the company where I got these digis, but I will link it, I swear. I love that sound. Some washi here. There's another little tag that I made. A Timmy card. There's another travel-themed old book page. That looks like a winding road, doesn't it? Isn't that cool? I don't know how I did that. I did that totally on purpose. No, I didn't. Here is another one of my page designs. Again, I'm not the best at this, but it was super fun. Here's another collage page. This was a cutout from another paper pack that I used, so that's on there, and there's some sequins in there, and if you look really close at the sequins, they are little gears and cogs, so that's fun. There is oh, there's some more of my coffee staining stuff, another paper clip. Here's some more pieces and parts out of the paper. You know I'm going to get roasted for this by my friends, but I use all the pieces and parts that I can. And this is why. I just made a fun little collage piece out of it. There's another side of that page that I designed. And I will link where I got all of this good stuff as well. And Flying Machines is the book page here. That is just some, I believe it's old wrapping paper that was in my stash. And I think that was a rub-on from Seven Gypsies, I think. There's an L for Lori. I love this paper pad. I believe it was called Industrial or something like that. So I thought this was really fun too. There's a couple of tags here. And as you can see, they're connected by a chain. And that goes over to this pocket watch type tag that I have tucked in here. This is another, let me see here. There we go. There's some fun little things here. You open this up and there's a card up here and there's a little secret cut in the bag here. And that makes this close, which, you know what? Is it going to do it? Dun, da, da. Maybe. Ta-da. See, there we go. All right. There's another one of my pages with some, hopefully some writing spots there. A very simple collage there. This is tissue paper I thought was really pretty. Obviously, this is another book page about advertisements for, motor cars. And there's a cute little piece here. There's another fun paper clip here. Again, I'll make sure I link all of this stuff. Little pieces and parts. Oops. There we go. And these come out of here. And here's the last little collage tag that I made. I hope the lighting's okay on this. It's hard to tell right now. There we go. These are now the doily. There's some more of that fun stuff there. The Locomobile, the Triumph of the Locomobile. That is a really fun 1908 advertisement. I got that out of a, like I say, like a Time Life kind of book. It was really cool. There's some fun little collaging here. There's another one of my pages. There's just some fun little scraps that you can turn into a tuck. That is that paper pad. I love it. And that is that. Oh, and Priscilla, thank you. I used the suspended binding technique that she has up on her channel. I had used that. That's probably one of my favorite techniques. All right, so there we go. Lori, I hope you like it. Here we go. Have fun. Everybody else have a great weekend. What's left of it. Thanksgiving is coming up. Have a great Thanksgiving, everybody. Bye.